Welcome back po sa ating channel.
Nagsalita na. Talent manager ni Jenilyn Mercado na si Becky Aguila nagsalita na tungkol sa isyung lilipat si Jen sa ABS-CBN. Ang buong detalye alamin. Kasalukuyan pa ring nasa hospital si Tita Becky Aguila pero closely monitored naman niya ang lahat ng isyu tungkol sa mga alaga niyang sina Jenilyn Mercado at Dennis Trillo. Ang kanyang anak na si Katrina Aguila, CEO ng Aguila Entertainment, ang nagbibigay sa kanya ng update sa mga isyung ibinabato ngayon sa mag-asawa. Nag-ugat ang isyu kay Jenilyn nang hindi ito nakadalo sa shoot ng station ID ng GMA7 dahil may prior commitment pero inisyuhang lilipat na raw sa Kapamilya Channel at si Dennis naman ay nabash dahil sa sagot nitong, may ABS pa ba? Nang tanungin kung lilipat na nga ang asawa. Kahapon na fake news ang balita kay Jen at si Dennis naman na sa pagkakakilala namin ay hindi ito ganoon sumagot at laging may respeto. It turned out na nahak ang TikTok account ng aktor as per official statement na inilabas kagabi ng talent management ng mag-asawa. Ngayong hapon ay naglabas naman ng isa pang official statement si Tita Becky kung saan matindi niyang pinabulaanan ang sapantahang aalis na ng GMA7 si Jenilyn. Anya, I just want to clarify to those who keeps on insinuating the issue of network transfer that Jenilyn is a loyal artist of GMA and will always remain loyal for as long as her mother network wants her to stay. She was absent from the station ID simply because she was unavailable that day. Rest assured GMA extended an invitation to her, which we very much appreciate, paliwanag niya. Ipinagtanggol din nito si Dennis na hindi nga ang aktor ang sumagot sa tanong ng netizen na, may ABS pa ba? At sa mga nakakakilala sa aktor ay alam nilang hindi ito ganito sumagot. Pagpapatuloy ni Tita Becky, as for Dennis, alleged comments on TikTok, it was not him. Dennis is a very humble and respectful and known to be a man of few words. He is not the type who would release comments that are insensitive to others, most especially to his former colleagues in ABS-CBN where he was first launched via Star Circle. His account was hacked yesterday as what our official statement said. Hope this clears everything. We appeal to the public to stop spreading hate and false accusations online. Becky Aguila, veteran artist manager and founder of Aguila Entertainment. Hayan, klarong hindi lilipat si Jenilyn sa ABS-CBN at tama naman, napaka-loyal ng aktres sa totoo lang. Imagine siya na lang orihinal na alaga ni Tita Becky simula nung ma-discover siya nito.